was really excited about working in a factory. I like getting my hands dirty. I like learning how to do stuff. I had to learn a whole new process for everything here. I had never cast iron. I hadn't made a mold in over 10 years, like nothing. I started with a pan. I thought it's a cast iron object, it's interactive, it's something that's functional, and it's already made in a factory, so it would be easy. But I was wrong. It was not easy. The title is One from Many, because it's a one big pan that I made from 6 skillets. Also, it's a loose translation of E pluribus unum. It's kind of like we're all in this together, even though we're different. And it's going to be used for a Connecting Communities event through the John Michael Kohler Art Center, where there'll be 6 people from 6 different cultures all cooking at the same time. And the public will be invited up to serve themselves from whatever section or border they choose. I'm doing a project entitled Associated Impressions, and I'm basically taking the fingerprints of all the people who've had a hand in making my work or who've helped me out in some way, because there's no way I could make any of that without them. And then I'm casting these wax hexagons and then carving them in and putting like a little nameplate, and then I cast it in brass, and so it's like an enlarged fingerprint with their name, and it'll be a wall installation. It's kind of like my love letter to Kohler, my thank you note for helping me out. That is no joke. This is like boot camp for artists. It is an amazing experience. I mean, there's so many memories that I'm gonna take back. I'm gonna miss it.